Okay. On the user preference tab, click the UI scaling slider. On the user interface preferences tab. Interface preferences tab. Preferences. User interface. Okay, here only you see these tools. If you are using a laptop, small screen, if you want to make it big, you can bring this one little right hand side. But I think it's a little bit too big. But let me see. I'll just press OK. Let's see. You have modified UI scaling. Changes will affect if you restart. Okay. Do you want to restart the preparation now? Okay, let's restart. It will be very big now when it restarts because I have chosen extreme right side. Yeah, you can see. Does it look big? You see the text size. Now it is big. You see, this is very big. Okay. So yeah, but this is sometimes if it is comfortable to see, no need to see very closely. Yeah, we can make like this. So I'll keep like this one.
Where it is?
Yeah, especially if you are using laptop, it is useful. Edit preferences. Yeah, edit preferences, then user interface.
User interface.
Yeah, I will open. Then you see this one. Large tabs. This one.
Yes, it's now is little bit comfortable because medium size now. Before it was very small.
Okay.
Yeah.
In my case, I put very big, extreme right side.
Yeah, I put in middle. Yeah.
Okay, okay.